coffee can I get you today?
Hi, can I get a large Earl Grey black?
A large, sorry, Earl Grey black?
Yes.
Okay.
And everything bagel, toasted dry, with 2 peanut butter on the side.
Sure. Anything else for today?
That's it.
All right, we'll switch window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Morning.
Hi, good morning.
It's gonna be 6-7.
That's everything. We'll switch
Thank
window.
you. Sure, Earl Grey.
Thank you. You want some bagel and peanut butter, kitty? Just wait. Wait. Kitty, wait. You're not very patient. You want more? Okay. Thank you. You want more? Check his tiny car. He's so cute. So I was to go get the mini grocery and go in the back of the tree, have maybe a little fire because that's the last day of sun-ish. It's kind of mini cloudy right now, but yeah, there's a farmer market or some kind of market, so we're gonna go check it out before we go in the back of the tree.
Every little helps.
You know, it's springtime when you have the farmer's market and the flowers popping in the same time. It's springtime! Oh, we just had a subscriber came by. Oh, thank you so much, Judy. Happy, kitty? So my first plan was to go a little bit further in the backcountry, but if I go deeper in the wood, I'm gonna lose the little bit of sun that we have today, and I want some vitamin D, guys. It's this time of year. Grab all the vitamin D that I can, and I really want to clean the inside of this van. It's hard with Kitty in the middle of winter when she doesn't want to go outside because it's cold, and she's getting older and she's like, yeah, I don't want to go outside. So now that she's happy to go outside because it's nice and warm, I can open all the door, vacuum, clean, spread everything, and yeah, do a deep clean. I think that's what we're gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna sleep here or go a little bit further, but first stop, it's gonna be here. And maybe you realize that my video is a little bit different today. We do have a new lens, a little wider shot lens, so you guys can see a little bit more. And I think inside the van is gonna be great. Yeah, this is my first try, so hopefully it's all right. And the other lens, I'm gonna pop this one once in a while, but yeah, I thought that would be a little bit better. So I'm currently charging over there the second battery. How much? So we get 130 watt of power. It's alright, better than nothing. Like the amount of air you got. That's crazy, kitty. Feels good. Oh yeah. Is it too hot already, kitty? Whoa, what? What's that? Like, Mom, leave me alone. I'm enjoying this weather. So you guys see the difference? Gross, I know. This is my recommendation. I'm gonna give you a recommendation. This floor was a cheap floor that I got at Home Depot. They have different quality, and I just took like the cheapest one that I like at the Carter. And I regret a little bit. It gets dirty and it stay dirty. I already cleaned it before without the brush, and I removed some dirt and everything, but when you just scrub, you just get so much dirt that is trapped in between. I think if you are to do the next van, or the next van build I'm going to do eventually, I will purchase a high quality floor, one that they use for like commercial area, just because it's like a super small area that you step like all the time. And if you don't have something good, and the heater too melt a little bit, not melt, but it kind of create a bow too on my floor. So yeah, get a good quality one. If not, you might just, it's not a big deal, but yeah, it looks very dirty when you don't scrub it. And it's been a couple weeks that I didn't scrub it, and yeah. Alright, this look a little bit better. And like you can tell, I don't know if you can see, but it's got a lot of scratch. It's not the best, but yeah. I think this floor for the past 3 years, probably. Not that long time ago. Alright, the van looks definitely better. I'm probably gonna do a spring cleanup several times. Just because you do it a little bit and you redo it and you redo it until you got like the whole thing, you know, well, most of the thing. But yeah, it's pretty good. And Kitty, she's still outside happy. Are you happy? Oh, you what? You want to talk? Yeah. New air filter. Oh, the rest is good. So Monday, in 2 days I think, I do have an appointment to get my van checked. I wanted to do that before the summer road trip, and if they find something, we have plenty enough time to get it fixed, because should be on Vancouver Island for another month, I think, something around this. I think we're gonna start our summer road trip maybe 2nd week of May. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this girl here check, make sure she can handle the summer road trip. It's supposed to rain later this afternoon, so I think I'm gonna go with Miss Kitty, who is doing her sharp nail, for a mini walk, because she's been outside for probably a couple of hours now, which I love it, because if you know, guys, this winter Kitty barely went outside. She didn't want to go outside. She's like, no, it's too cold. I think she's getting 9 or 10 this year. I have to look, but yeah, so you know, she just want to hang out and sleep. Now that it's sunny, she's like, yes. You ready? Yeah. Oh, she's ready for a run even. Uh-oh, it started raining. Start raining, Kitty. Oh, you. Seriously? We're gonna be wet, maybe. The battery, 32%. That's alright. We're gonna accept that. Hey, little monkey. Kitty. You coming? Let's go. Yeah, good girl. So, I feel like I'm so far from you guys with this camera. You guys are really, really far. So I think I need to eat those little wrap, and I got a plant-based sausage, so I might just go like so basic with like a mini hot dog. I like to have a mini hot dog with a wrap instead of actual bread, so I might do that. The simplest hot dog ever. So I just put the footage of this lens on my laptop to see how everything went. there's a couple little things. There's a mini noise when I'm too close from the camera, and when I hold it, I see like a lot of distortion because that's a wider lens. So yeah, sorry, I'm gonna have to play with it and probably change from the other lens. But today was what I wanted to do, like really test this lens and see how you know, the little plus and the little minus, and tweak it, and yeah, so learn from it. And you see the sun? I should have left the the solar panel still. The sun's going down at probably like 8 o'clock right now, which is awesome. Like, I feel like, seriously, I feel like 2 weeks ago I was complaining that the sun was going down at like 4 o'clock, and it was cold, and it was raining, and it was snowing, and now the flowers are there, and the market are open, and everyone's happy, everyone's at the beach, everyone's having fun, and the warm, it's still cold at night though, but the warm weather is slowly coming, so it's great, definitely great. So I hope you guys enjoy. I think I'm gonna sleep here. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I deeply appreciate all of you guys. And oh, we're gonna have a kiss. Kelly's falling asleep right now, and she's been outside all day, so I think she's gonna I don't think she's gonna give a kiss. It's a lot of work, yeah. It's kissing time. Oh, the look of like, oh, I have to work. Yeah, that would be great, Kitty. Little work right there, right there. Wanna give a kiss? That's a look of someone's like, nope, I don't want to give a kiss. I want to sleep. Alright, we will let you sleep. Alright guys, we will see you into the next one. Oh, you kiss me, but you don't kiss them. Oh, they're gonna be mad. They're gonna be mad.